So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have this series whose terms are 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square plus 1 power 4 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 square plus 2 power 4, 3 divided by 1 plus 3 square plus 3 power 4, and up to infinity we have this infinite terms series. So we have to find the summation of this. So let's see how we can solve this. So I denote TR with the Rth term, and I can write Rth term as simply R divided by 1 plus R square plus R power 4. Because if you see the terms, it is like 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square plus 1 power 4, 2 divided by 1 plus 2 square plus 2 power 4. So I can easily write T of R as R divided by 1 plus R square plus R power 4. So if you put R is equal to 1, you can get this term. If you put R is equal to 2, you can get this term. 3, you can get next term. So in this way we can do this. Now there is one thing to observe, like 1 plus R square plus R power 4, we can factor in this form, like 1 plus R square multiplied by 1 minus R plus R square. So you can do factor in this form of this term, and you can also write this R as this way, like R square plus R plus 1 minus R square minus R plus 1 and divided by 2. So because in the numerator it will 2R and in the denominator this is 2, so it will simply is equal to R. So you can also write R in this way. So let's replace R by this thing, and this thing by these two factors. So after replacing, you can see that we have this form R square plus R plus 1 minus R square minus R plus 1 and divided by 1 plus R square and 1 minus R plus R square, and there is a half factor outside. So if you simplify this, it will become in this form, like half and 1 divided by R square minus R plus 1 and minus 1 divided by R square plus R plus 1. So if I denote V of R by this thing, so I can replace this by V of R, and let's evaluate V of R minus 1. So you just replace R by R minus 1 in this thing. So it will become like 1 plus R minus 1 plus R minus 1 whole square. So if you open this, it will become like R square plus 1 minus 2R. So after simplifying, it will simply come in this form. So you can replace this thing here by V of R minus 1. So T of R, which is the general Rth term of the given series, we can write in this form, half times V of R minus 1 minus V of R. So we can write in this thing. So in the problem, we have to find the sum of infinite terms. So, but first of all, let's find the sum of the n terms. So what is the sum of n terms? Like t1 plus t2 up to tn. So which we can write in this form, like summation r is equal to 1 to n, and inside there is tr. We can write in this form, and tr we know it is v of r minus 1 minus vr, and half factor we can take outside, and the sum is from r is equal to 1 to n. Now if you put different value of r, it will come like v of 0 minus v of 1 plus v of 1 minus v of 2, and if you put n, it will come like v of n minus 1 minus v of n. So all factor will cancel here, and the remaining thing is only v of 0 and minus v of n, and half factor is outside. So this is the summation of n terms, and we know v of r as this. So if you want to calculate v of 0, you can easily put r is equal to 0 here, and you can get v of 0 as 1 divided by 1 plus 0 square, which is 1. So I can replace v of 0 by 1, and if you want to calculate v of n, you can replace r by n, and it will become like 1 divided by 1 plus n square. So now if you want to find the sum of infinite terms, what you can do, you can do the limit n tending to infinity. So it will become like limit of this n tending to infinity. So this term will goes to 0 if we do n tending to infinity, and the remaining thing is only half multiplication of this, half multiplied by 1. So it will come as half. So the sum of infinite term of this series is half. So in this way we can solve this.